Hang out. Spend time in a casual, relaxed way. Example: Friend 1, what are you doing later? Friend 2, nothing much, just hanging out at the park. Hang up. End a phone call. Example: she was so rude, she just hung up on me. Hold back. Restrain an emotion or action. Example: I couldn't hold back my tears when she left. Hold up. Delay or stop something. Example: the accident ahead is holding up all the cars. Keep up. Maintain pace or progress. Example: teacher, if you keep up your hard work, you'll excel. Kick out. Force someone to leave. Example: he was being disruptive, so we kicked him out. Knock out. To make someone unconscious or win against them. Example: he knocked out his opponent in the second round. Lay off. End someone's job due to economic reasons. Example: we have to lay off employees because of budget cuts. Lead to. Cause something to happen. Example: skipping class often leads to poor grades. Let down. Disappoint someone. Example: I was counting on you, but you let me down. Look down on. Think someone is inferior. Example: it's wrong to look down on others because of their job. Mess up. Make a mistake. Example: oops, I messed up the recipe. Move in. Start living in a new place. Example: we just moved in, and we love this neighborhood. Pass out. Lose consciousness. Example: she passed out because of dehydration. Pass up. Decline an opportunity. Example: I can't pass up this chance to study abroad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.